Hi, today I'm going to walk you through the bulk upload feature that ALL3D has just launched to its site. So this feature is used specifically when you have 10, 20, 500 different products that you want to create lifestyle or studio imagery for all at once. Here's how it goes. First, we're going to go over to Create New and click Bulk Upload. From the Bulk Upload pop-up, we're going to then click Download CSV Template. And this CSV template is going to be the starting point for uploading all of the different products that you want. It's going to be the form that tells us what you want to do for every product. So I have an example of that here. This is a spreadsheet that I've imported that CSV into Google Sheets, and it's got the same headers that you'll find in that CSV template. So a product name, what do you want to name your hero? The product image, this needs to be a publicly accessible image. So if you have the site, the image on your site or in your PIM, wherever it is. Inspiration image, if you would like. A height, width, and depth of your product, the same that you would put when you're doing a single product upload. The dimensions, inches is standard. And then all of the other features that you might want to specify within the generation. So things like the prompt that you want for this specific row, how many images you want for this row, the aspect ratio, then the request type. So here I'm using ALL3D's new studio shot mode that tends to create plain backgrounds for products to really stand out. This is not creating a lifestyle. It's creating a studio shot. From here, we're going to go ahead and click Download as a CSV. And I'm actually going to use this smaller version just so that we can quickly see the results. So I've got that same spreadsheet, but only 6 rows. We go back to ALL3D and we click Upload CSV. So I'll upload, and I'm going to upload this spreadsheet here. And we can give it a name. We'll click Submit. And after we've clicked Submit, it's going to process this whole sheet and set up a job for each and every row within the sheet. Now, here I've done actually quite a large one. I did grab that 300 row spreadsheet. So we are going to have 300 different tasks that are created. All of them will get their own card. So each product stays isolated and stays as a normal product within ALL3D, which means you can do things like edit those images, you can regenerate, you can create more, whatever you need to do normally. The idea with the bulk upload is that you get many images into the system all at once. So you can see as they start popping in, we're going to get new cards for each and every product as it goes. For large requests like this one, we're going to split this job up so that we do 30 tasks every 5 minutes. That means you can do 600 in an hour or 300 in about half an hour. So the first batch will come in pretty quickly, and then we'll have to wait a little bit, and the next batch will come in. All right. As they begin to finish, you'll be able to track your progress in this card. Everything about the image itself is a normal ALL3D image. Here's an old bulk upload that I had done. We can edit that image if we'd like, just as you normally would. You can collaborate just as you normally would. You can compare just like you normally would. Now, the only other feature that's special to bulk upload, if we go over to the gallery, you'll see that we have the ability to filter by bulk requests. And here what I can do is I can jump into a different bulk request and see all of the images that were made for that specific request. This means that I can quickly see everything that was made on a 300 row job without having to filter through a bunch of images or cards. I get to see exactly the ones that I care about right here. And then once I see an image, I can edit or collaborate, download, upscale, just like you normally would. All right, that'll do it for the new bulk upload feature. I'm excited for you to try it out and let us know how it goes.